Here's a big cardboard box labelled Suffolk ArtLink Activity Box. Welcome to your activity box. Let's get started. This activity box has been put together by Suffolk ArtLink for groups to use with or without a group leader. We hope you enjoyed the activities. If you'd like to write to us with any questions, contact Kasia, that's Kasia, at suffolkartlink.org.uk. This box contains 12 activities. Each activity card gives the instructions and the materials you'll need to complete each activity. All the materials needed are supplied in this box. This box contains some instructional activity cards, some Draw On Me activity cards, 4 kits to make willow stick owls, and all the other various pens, pencils and paper that you'll need. Here's the difference between instructional activity cards and Draw On Me activity cards. Instructional activity cards are for you to use as reference only, so they can be used again and again by lots of different people. Follow the instructions, grab a piece of paper from the box to complete the activity, and return the card to the box. Draw On Me activity cards are for you to draw directly onto with the pens and pencils provided. As a short demonstration later, take your drawing home, put it on the wall or post it to a friend. Here's a picture of the 2 different kinds of cards in their separate boxes. The Draw On Me cards have a red label on the box and the instruction cards have a yellow label. Next are some examples of materials you'll receive in the box. There's lots of drawing paper, there's some charcoal sticks, a pack of marker pens, some brown wrapping paper, some pencils, and some fine line drawing pens. These are the activity cards. Each card instructs on how to do an activity using the materials in your box. On the screen there's one about making a willow owl. There's one called Time for Tea. And a couple of other examples. Here's someone drawing a cat on a Draw On Me card called Small is Beautiful. They're drawing the outline of a cat. There's its whiskers and some stripes and his curly tail. And now they're colouring it in using the colourful marker pens from the box to complete the activity. You can do this too. They're putting the blue sky behind the cat there. And some orange stripes to make him into a tabby. Here are some examples of herbal teas you try with the Time for Tea activity. There's ginger, rose and yarrow amongst others. To fill your tea bag, you use a teaspoon and put your chosen herbs in the self-fill tea bags provided in the box. Once your herbs are in the tea bag, you pull on the drawstring and make the tea bag tight. Then pop it in a mug and fill with boiling water, leaving the string hanging over the side of the mug. See the Time for Tea activity card for full instructions. Enjoy! For the charcoal activity, you'll need to cover a whole piece of paper with charcoal. Hold the charcoal on its side and cover your paper in charcoal by rubbing it on the page. Now, use the eraser to make your marks by rubbing away the charcoal. Here's someone rubbing away the shape of a tree. You can experiment and enjoy creating. Here is an example of the willow owl activity. There's a full tutorial on how to make your own willow owl online. Follow the QR code at the top of the page to see the full tutorial. If you can't see the instruction video online, use the step-by-step instructions on the card instead. If you complete all these activities and would like to do more, you can find plenty more activities here on our website, www.suffolkartlink.org.uk, or scan this QR code on the screen to take you directly to the webpage. This project has been made possible by the generous support of Suffolk County Council, Suffolk Community Foundation, the Lottery Community Fund and Baber and Mid Suffolk District Councils. We'd love to see your creations. Send images to kasha@suffolkartlink.org.uk. Enjoy getting creative.
To support us, please like, comment and subscribe.